Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your charging problem in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's talk about the first step you have to do. First you have to go to the settings, and here you have to type OTG. Then you have to click on OTG and it is turned off when it is disconnected for 10 minutes. Then you have to put the lead in and press back. You have to go, the secondly you have to go to app management, click on app list, and here you have to off background data which the app you used daily, like this Instagram, and this clear the cache and go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Here you have to off the background data, because when it is enable usage mobile data in the background and it takes too much of battery. Press back, and you can also check your lead whether the is cut or any if default issues, or you can check the your adapter if it is not working, the power supply is cut on it and it is not working, and you can purchase a new one also. You can see your charger first, then you have to do these steps, and then you have to just restart your mobile phone. And if it is not, then you have to go to your service center and ask them why it is not working fine mobile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.